guys! So as promised, today's video is all about the Squad Cosmetics Soft Serve Blushes. So I have all the shades and I'm going to swatch it one by one on my cheeks. And honestly, ano ba to? Is this multi-use? Can we use this on our lips? Because you know what, if a product is for the cheeks, there are times na it does not necessarily mean that it's also good for the lips. Lalo na kasi sa lip area you know, nakakain natin. So, tingnan ko muna kung safe. So, ang chika is, itong Soft Serve is a soft focus melting blush that blends and blurs into a seamless powder finish. So, you can use your fingertips or a brush to apply it on a fresh skin or over a liquid cream base makeup before putting your face powder. So wala silang binanggit na this is also good for the lips. And to be completely honest, you guys, as much as we want our products or us personally to be flexible and to use products on areas na hindi naman intended for that, let's not. Kung hindi naman nila sinabing pwede ito sa lips, then let's not. Kasi baka may mga ingredients to na hindi pwedeng, I don't know, i-digest or something. Anyway, honestly guys, na-try ko na yung ibang mga shades for the past couple of days. And eto lang nga, ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na sa inyo, etong cream blush na to, or actually lahat ng mga cream blushes, they're really good to apply sa fresh face, really moisturized base. And yun nga, kapag kakakalagay pa lang ng liquid foundation mo, ng tinted sunscreen mo, or whatever, CC cream, BB cream, ganyan-ganyan, pagkakalagay pa lang, doon maganda ilagay ito bago yung powder. And honestly, you guys, kapag ka naka-store to sa malamig na area, let's say for example, naka-aircon ka, asahan mo hindi siya magiging ganun ka-blendable kasi tumigas. So personally ako, sa mga cream blushes, I like to apply them kapag ka, you know, nasa room temperature sila, or actually tinatapatan ko sila ng blower para medyo mag-melt ng very, very slight, and then saka ko i-apply sa akin for a really creamy, seamless blending. So I suggest you do that sa mga cream products nyo bago nyo i-apply. Kasi pag matigas, pag waxy, mahirap talaga i-apply. So palambutin nyo muna. Painitin nyo ng konti, ganyan. These last for a good couple of hours. Well, depending on the activity you do. Kung nasa bahay ka lang, this is going to last very long time. Pero kung nasa labas ka at nasa initan ka and you did not spray a makeup setting spray, ay dahil mabilis tong mawalay-chi. Pero kapag ginamit mo to, tapos sinet mo ng, pinatungan mo ng another blush na kakulay niya, it's going to last a really long time. Or kapag ito lang gagamitin mo, make sure na gumamit ka ng setting spray for it to last a really long time. Kasi it's a cream product. Hindi siya 100% hulas proof. So I'm going to swatch it based on the color family. And the first batch is yung medyo malapichi. So the first shade that we have is called Melon Milk. And this is what it looks like. And this is Melon Milk swatch at my hand. And this is Melon Milk on my cheeks. It's actually a really nice light peachy color na perfect for everyday. At eto, lilitaw talaga to sa mga light skin tones. Pero feeling ko magbe-blend away lang to para doon sa mga nasa medium or deeper skin tones. Kasi it's light, pero yung pigment niya is not that intense, if you know what I mean. By the way, the shade and pigment is buildable. Maybe it could work sa mga medium. No, actually sa mga deeper. Yeah, dun sa contrast talaga yung skin tone, aangat to. Pero dun sa mga medium, feeling ko baka mag-blend lang siya sa skin tone mo, alam mo yun. Pero it depends on the undertone. Next shade that we have is called Tutti Frutti, and this is what it looks like. Para siya a really bright, orangey, peachy color. So this is Melon Milk and this is Tutti Frutti. At kita nyo naman ang difference sa pigment. Like, ang intense ng tinaas ni Tutti Frutti. Yep, super pigmented. Okay, etong si Tutti Frutti ang talagang pag-work sa lahat ng skin tones. It's really gonna show up, lalo na sa mga lighter skin tones. And ito, lilitaw na rin to sa mga medium skin tones at sa deep skin tones kasi intense na yung pigment niya. Intense pero hindi on the darker side. On the lighter side pa rin siya. So, maangat pa rin yung color niya. So, I think this would suit a lot of skin tones. So yeah, this is Tutti Frutti. Ang ayoko lang dito guys is yung packaging niya na you have to like ikot-ikot it pa. Maganda sana kung de-flip na siya na gano'n. Kaya lang, I don't know, baka mas mura yung ganito para ma-maintain nila yung less than 200 mark. Baka kasi mas mahal sa production cost kapag kayong de-flip. I don't know. But our next shade is called Soft Serve. This is what it looks like. Honestly, pinaghalong peach and pink. Pero more leaning towards the pink side. So, ito ang difference niya sa first three shades natin. Actually, medyo pantay sila ng intense ng pigment and opacity ng Tutti Frutti. Pero si Tutti Frutti is more on the orangey, peachy side. Ito naman, leaning towards the pinky side. Pero may halo pa rin siyang a little bit of peach. Hindi siya like solid pink talaga. So this is soft serve. And again, it's a pinky peachy color. Bagay sa lahat ng skin tones. So we're done with the peachy blushes. Now let's move on to the bridge. I feel like I call this the bridge shade kasi it's not peachy, pero hindi rin naman siya like super solid belonging to like the pinky or mauve shades. It's actually more on the nude. And this is the shade Neapolitan. So this is Neapolitan. I don't know if you can really see the difference, pero it's a nude brown muted shade. Nude brown, a little bit of pink. So let's try it. It reminded me of Macaron, the Get Ready Me Cosmetics Milk Tint. Yeah, I don't know if nakikita yun sa camera, pero parang ganun yung pink. And it's a very complicated shade for me, to be completely honest. Kasi dito sa arm swatch ko, it's like a nude brown, tapos parang merong purple undertone-ish. Pero nung nilagay ko na siya sa cheeks ko, malinis yung fingers ka. As in, pinanasan ko yan at may baby oil and everything. So, malinis yung fingers ko. Purong Neapolitan ang nasa cheeks ko. Pero parang naging ano siya, peachy pa din. Ang weird. And honestly, I don't know kung nare-register sa camera yung nakikita ko in person. Pero gusto ko sana ma-achieve yun, no? Yung parang purple undertone, brown purple undertone. Pero pagdating sa cheeks ko, bakit ganun? So, I think ang magiging register niya will depend on your undertone and your skin tone. Is that it? It's weird. Anyway, this is Neapolitan. Next shade we have is called Ice Scramble. By the way, guys, I forgot. Ang bango pala niya. Amoy milk tea. Halos lahat amoy milk tea. And this is what Ice Scramble looks like. Now, this is pinky, pero muted mauve pink. So this is Ice Scramble compared to the other shades that kitang-kita naman. It's really pink, pero hindi siya like yung bright pink. It's more on the muted side, or yung parang yung deep. Alam niyo yan? Ay, day. Ang intense ng pigment nito ni Ice Scramble. A little goes a long way. This is Ice Scramble, and it's really more on the pinky side na talaga. Pero hindi siya yung pink na purple undertone. It's a warm tone pink, in my opinion. And I don't know, pero it's very pigmented compared dun sa mga first few shades natin. Yung kanyang opacity is there, like 100%. Siya yung klase ng rosy cheeks na ma-achieve mo kapag galing ka sa arawan. Kasi yung purple pink, ma-achieve mo yan pag galing ka sa malamig. Diba? I swear, may difference talaga yung pagiging rosy natin. Depende on the temperature. Pag galing ka talaga sa arawan, it's more on yung pinky and peachy. Pero pag galing ka sa malamig, parang kang purpley pink. Oo. Pero ewan ko, yun lang yung personal experience ko sa cheeks ko. So yeah, this is Ice Scramble. Next shade that I have is called Butternut, and it's quite deep, you guys. Ito talaga, like brown, purple, magenta-ish. Brown, purple, red, actually. Brown, purple, red. Let's see kung mag-register sa akin yung mga pinagsasabi ko shade. Hindi pa rin siya yung na-expect ko. I'm not blaming the product, okay? It's probably my skin tone and my undertone, pero hindi lumabas yung parang purple undertone na hinahanap ko. Kasi ang warm tone niya, hindi siya cool tone. So, umangat yung red side. So, para lang siya yung typical, you know, mala red-ish shade. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying to explain it base sa nakikita ko in person sa mirror. Pero, I was honestly expecting na umangat yung pagka purple undertone niya or magenta niya. Pero hindi. Parang may konting orange pa nga. Nakikita niyo ba? I hope na-register sa camera na nakikita ko in person. It's probably me. It's not the product. But for me, naging typical reddish blush lang siya. So yeah, this is Butternut. Alright guys, so we are down to the last shade, and this is called Berries and Cream. And this is the deepest shade that they have. Oh God, sana berry talaga mag-register sa cheeks ko. Ay, oh my God, sa wakas. Ito, angat talaga ang pagka-purple niya. So, masusyokat talaga ako pag ito hindi naging purple sa cheeks ko, Oh! Okay guys, so kung meron kayong Get Ready Me Cosmetics Milk Tint, ito yung Super Taro. This is what I'm looking for. Yung purpley undertone na kapag ito mas manipis pa, it will register as pinky purpley ganyan. Etong klaseng blush na to, this is nice kapag ka malamig yung weather. Very fitting to kapag ka rainy days. Well, depende sa'yo, pero parang Oo, pang cold weather, yung ganitong klase na kinky purpley shade. Alright guys, so eto na lahat ng shade ng soft serve. Okay, shade recommendations tayo. First of all, you get etong berries and cream. Eto lilitaw talaga to sa light to medium skin tones, pero yung mga deeper skin tones, case-to-case basis. It may look like a, you know, pinky purpley blush, pero baka magmukha rin siyang pasak. Alam mo yun, it depends on how deep your skin tone and your undertone is. Pero light to medium, this is going to work. And then honestly, sa nakikita ko, magkakapeg. Ito, this is ice scramble. And this one, this is soft serve. And this one, see, tutti frutti. Medyo malapit ang magiging register niya sa cheeks mo. So, mamimili ka na lang if you want it to be pink, peachy pink, or peachy. Gets niya. Pero yung register niya very, very malapit sa nakikita ko ha. So, all in all, ang favorite ko, personal favorites ko si berries and cream. I'm going to get melon milk and then iced scramble on the pink na talaga. And honestly, guys, I do recommend it because it's very affordable and it's really effective as a cream blush. Actually, mas creamy pa siya compared dun sa favorite ko na Easy Creme blushes. Kasi yung Easy Creme blushes, medyo matag pa siya. Eto, it's really soft serve. Pero given na hindi siya nalamigan. Dahil pag nalamigan siya, waxy siya tayo. Like, you know, the usual na nangyayari sa mga cream products. So make sure na medyo napainitan mo siya ng very, very slight bago mo gamitin para ma-achieve mo talaga yung very soft serve. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Natupad ko na isa sa mga promise ko. Next video natin, oh my god, I'm currently doing a 7-day skincare challenge. So, feeling ko yun yung susunod natin. So, watch out for it. So, yeah, thank you so much, guys, for watching. And I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye!